people, not thrones and crowns, but men. God save the people, save us, for thine they are, thine they are. As thy angels sing, God save the people, God save the people from despair. God save the people.
Now, do not suppose that I have come to abolish the law and the prophets. I did not come to abolish, but to complete. I tell you this. So long as the heaven and earth endure, not a stroke, not a letter will be removed from the law until all that must happen has happened. If any man, therefore, sets aside even the least of the law's demands, he will have the lowest place in the kingdom of heaven. But he who heeds the law and teaches others so, he will have the highest place in the kingdom of heaven. I tell you this, unless you show yourselves to be far better men than the Pharisees and the doctors of the law,
Hub, 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 hub.